do I feel about being a member of the Information Society? That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the Information Society.
Your friendly neighborhood gadget inspector here. I had been flying drones for about a year and a half before getting the Phantom 4, my first DJI drone. Since then, I've gotten the Spark and the Mavic 2 Pro. But we're hanging out with the Phantom 4 today, which is still a really good drone. Hey everybody, so I'm out here with the DJI Phantom 4, and it's a beautiful winter day today. It's about 31 degrees or so. Sun is out, and not really a cloud in the sky, so I thought I would come out and put something in the air, and I decided to bring the Phantom 4 out today. Now, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I bought the Phantom 4 refurbished, and on my channel I like to show you my ownership of my drones over the lifespan. So I've had this one for about a year. I don't know, maybe 60 flights or so, and it's still going strong. So if you ever considered getting a refurbished DJI product, I can honestly say that they are just as good as brand new. All right, so yeah, so nothing special today. I'm just gonna put it in the air, take some photos, do some video. I think I'm just gonna film in 1080-60 here today. But first, welcome to the Gadget Inspector channel, where we are into all kinds of drones and all kinds of gadgets. And if you are into all that kind of stuff, you are in the right place, my friend. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell, or else you may never know when I upload new videos. All right, let's fly the DJI Phantom 4. Ha ha ha. Thanks for watching, y'all, and for all of your support over the past year. I really appreciate it, and I do not take it for granted. I pray that the new year brings you joy, health, and peace, and in all of your getting, get understanding. As always, be good to somebody, and be good to yourself. I will see you in the next one. Later.